What's going on, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you're just joining in for the first time, I am SkittleFabs. This is my Neon SRT4, Lady in Red, Lexi built. You probably noticed that I got a brand new windshield too, right? Ha! Brand new today. Before I really get into my video unboxing and installing onto my motor, you can see that I'm wearing the black with the gray outline, SkittleFabs flat build fitted hat, which is large to extra large flex fit. So if you guys are interested in those, or you're interested in a shirt, I have white, black, and a few red still left. Links are in the description. Go ahead and DM me through SkittleFabs Facebook. We're gonna go ahead and unbox what I have over there. I do have a package that Johnny Boost sent out to me a couple weeks back, and this is actually gonna be going with my valve cover from SDK. This is a DCR product, and I do have a Felpro valve cover gasket right here, and I also have another brand new one that I didn't open yet because of the fact that I didn't realize I had one that's already open. Felpro VS 50459R. I don't need that one since I already have one open. I want to go ahead and open this real quick and show you guys what's inside. And he also sent a sticker, which is dope. Went with Caliber SRT4 Brilliant Black. I had him spray it. I wanted to bring some sort of Caliber SRT4 to my Lady in Red Lexi built. I'm astonished by how beautiful this came out. And we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. SDK Motorsports, dude. Now I gotta go ahead and give this a quick clean. Now look at that. Is that not clean or what? He also offers a bunch of other colors. He is an auto body shop and performance shop. If you guys are interested in his link, it's in the description below. I went with Brilliant Black because of the fact that I just needed that black that came on the Caliber, because when I first picked it up, just this black definitely popped out really nicely. And you can see I have an AN fitting right there. Those welds look really nice. What I'm gonna do real quick is blow it out before I go ahead and clean my cylinder head. I've already cleaned it a bunch of times, but I might as well go ahead and just double check the surface. Now we are gonna be using a little bit of RTV because of the fact that you have these portions of the end caps that seat down, and you just want to make sure oil doesn't leak out. Alright, now that I went ahead and I finished cleaning my valve cover, I'm going to go ahead and put it somewhere that it can stay clean, which is probably good right there. I want to go ahead and open this. This is from Johnny Boost. So it's DCR stainless steel valve cover bolt set. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my cylinder head. On this end cap, you're gonna clean on top of there also, and right around the little areas where the cap meets the cylinder head, clean as much as you possibly can down there. It's good to use parts cleaner instead of glass cleaner. I just went ahead and I finished cleaning it up. Gotta go ahead and clean up my valve cover gasket and spark plug tube gaskets, and I'm gonna use glass cleaner instead of parts cleaner. Show you guys the valve cover bolt set DCR offers. You can see these 7 are shorter than these 2 right here, so this is gonna be spark plug 1 and spark plug 3. They're a little bit longer than these 7, which are going to be the outer perimeter. There's also a write-up on the SRT4 forums, which is install cylinder head cover assembly to cylinder head. Install all fasteners, ensuring the double double-ended studs are in their proper location, which we are not going to be using the double-ended studs. Tighten fasteners in sequence shown in cylinder head cover tighten in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is for maximum oil resistant, which is the ultra black, and then the ultra gray is gasket maker for high torque. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the black on this area. Here, 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 and here only. And then I'm gonna let the gasket do its thing by obviously pressure. So in these spots, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that black RTV to seal up those small little creases that oil could go ahead and pass by. And it doesn't need to be heavy. Then we're gonna take our valve cover. We're gonna take these spark plug tube gaskets and put them in there, just as I am doing right now. Then we got my valve cover gasket, this side, and then there's this crease that sits down in here. I can't wait until this is on. This is the only thing I do not like about the Fel-Pro. Gonna more or less rig it in there and hope it stays. Just want to make sure your gasket is completely in there before you go ahead and lift this upside down. But I think we'll be good. And I'm gonna grab it with my left hand in spark plug number 2. Throw that off. And I'm gonna let it sit down evenly. Don't force anything. There we go, it's on. Now we take these two. We're gonna get an Allen wrench, and there you go. That's pretty much how I'm gonna go ahead and screw them in. Now lay these things down, put a dabble on that, along with this one. Put it right in that hole. I had to move it a little bit because it was off. Right here also. Go ahead and screw it in lightly. Remember, this is going to be number 1. So you're just going to flush this down, just like that. And this one I'm just going to lightly touch down. Now I'm just going to take all of these and put blue thread locker on it. Now we can go put them in their holes, screw them in a little bit, and so on. Last but not least, right there. Now in sequence, we're gonna just go ahead and snug it down. So that's gonna be 1. This is gonna be number 2. Number 3. This would be number 4. 5 is over here. 6 will be right here in the top back next to the timing. 7, 8, and then we got 9. Go ahead and double check. DCR wants you to go to 150 inch-pounds with his kit, but if you look on the directions on the SRT4 forums, it says 12 Newton meters or 105 inch-pounds. Let's just say I'm going by my strength. I'm not torquing it to 150 inch-pounds. There's no way. There's no way. So I'm gonna just go in sequence and do it to the point where I feel like it's snug enough, because it's being compressed evenly and I just don't want to break anything. And I think 150 inch-pounds is a lot. It's totally up to you guys if you guys want to go ahead and torque them to 150 inch-pounds, but nope, not me. This is me just double checking my work now, making sure nothing lifted out. And there we go, you guys. I believe they are nice and tight to the point where they won't be backing out. Seems nice and tight. Before I go ahead and end this video, you guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Kevin Seepery. He ended up hooking me up with a MPX rear bumper diffuser from Modern Performance. I went and made a post on SRT4 parts for sale on Facebook, and he was tagged, and then I messaged him and I was like, hey, how much? I'll come pick it up. I know you're in Connecticut. I'm in Woodstock, Connecticut. Said $200. You just dropped it off a little while ago. These are the 2 pieces, and I got 5 other pieces inside my Pop's Prius in the trunk right now. And I'm gonna bring this home with a bunch of other parts that I'm gonna be bringing to Classic Car Blasting up in New Hampshire again. And then I'm gonna have him transfer those pieces over to Pro Finishing. That way they can go ahead and match up these parts to my transmission. Now, if you guys have not seen that video yet, that's at the top right of the screen, and also a link is in the description. Go check that video out. That's my SDK valve cover. I'm so pumped because in fact I really didn't need to do much work. Here we go, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that down, cover up the motor. That is the completion of my video. Smash that like button. If you're not yet subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button with the notification. If you guys are interested in any merch like the SkittleFabs hat or the SkittleFabs t-shirt, DM me through SkittleFabs Instagram or Facebook. SDK, I really do appreciate it, Lewis. Thing looks immaculate. I cannot wait until this thing is in the engine bay. That'll be coming up soon, you guys, so stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe, comment, share this video, share all my other videos, help other SRT4 owners find my page, my channel, my Instagram, Facebook, and all that good stuff. If you guys are in the New England area and you guys are looking for some fender rolling, hit me up, SkittleFabs fender rolling. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!